All right, here are the basics, and I mean basics, of prenatal development. So a sperm meets an egg, and they come together and they fertilize. And after fertilization, they create a zygote, which has 46 chromosomes. It's a single-cell organism. Zygote. For the first 2 weeks, we say that zygote is in the germinal period. And that's when it is dividing and the placenta, the umbilical cord are developing, and it is moving down through the uterus. Once it attaches to the uterus, we call it an embryo, which kickstarts the second prenatal stage of development, which is the embryonic period. This is from 2 weeks to 8 weeks, and this is when you start to see cell differentiation in terms of organ development. During this period, the embryo is susceptible to different hazards, which we call teratogens. There are things that can happen that can negatively impact the embryo. After 8 weeks, we call a fetus, the term is the fetus, and that lasts until birth. And this is when you get the really detailed organ specialization and development. So that is a very, very, very simple explanation of prenatal development. That's all you do in a gen psych class. If you take developmental psychology, you'll really get in there. But for this class, know that sperm plus egg equals fertilization and leads to a zygote. And for the first 2 weeks, the zygote is in the germinal period. From 2 to 8 weeks, it's an embryo in the embryonic period. And then from 8 weeks to birth, it's a fetus in the fetal period. Germinal, embryonic,